Imagine a world where lack of free will is blamed for 1 million COVID deaths. Doesn't that sound a bit like blaming the spoon for making you fat?
I think Lester Holt's point is more about how our choices have real consequences, Spud. He's stepping down after 10 years on NBC Nightly News, and he's reflecting on the magnitude of his career and bigger conversations like the loss of lives during the pandemic.
Fair enough, but I'm picturing free will having this little tiny gavel like it's suddenly a judge of humanity. You chose spaghetti over lasagna. Guilty.
Okay, but let's bring it back to reality. What Holt is trying to convey, I think, is that public behavior, our collective choices, do play a significant role in shaping outcomes, especially during a crisis like COVID.
Yeah, seriousness noted. But stepping down after anchoring shows like Nightly News and Dateline, it's like a TV anchor jackpot. I mean, who wouldn't want that gig, right?
True, it's quite the career. He was a radio reporter at 20, chasing stories around San Francisco. Makes you wonder if people back then would have even imagined the challenges like a pandemic we'd face today.
Doubt it. Probably more focused on catching the last bus back home or how to get free coffee refills. Honestly, though, Holt must have some epic stories from his police beat days to now. Like once upon a time, in a world where police scanners ruled the night.
Definitely. But back to the serious stuff. The pandemic has forced many to confront the idea of free will, maybe more than ever, like the choice between personal freedom and public health safety.
True, though that sounds like a sci-fi storyline. The evil antagonist, free will, versus the heroic savior, compassionate choice.
And that sci-fi storyline plays out in real life. Look at vaccination rates, mask mandates, how divided people can be on what they feel is their right to choose. Holt stepping down is like passing the torch to new voices to continue this global conversation.
Here's hoping for a world where debates about free will involve less doom and gloom and more bright ideas, like free tacos for winning arguments. Do you think Lester Holt would agree to that?
Perhaps after a long career delivering the news, he'd appreciate a lighter note to end on. But let's not trivialize the real losses many have felt and the discussion his comments have sparked.
Got it. Message received. But can we at least agree that free will would totally be an awesome superhero name?
Only if it comes with a K.